Hello all of you. So today we are going to see about we are going to solve one more problem in the cam diagram. So let me see the question. So here they just mention like a cam has been designed by using the knife edge follower which has been highlighted. Okay, and here the cam lift is 40 mm and it having 90 degree of cam rotation, and the type of motion is a simple harmonic motion. Here the angle has been given. The first one is in 30 degrees, second one is a 60 degree, and third dwell is a 180 degree. And fourth one, the condition for this problem, what they gave was they just give it as an offset. Okay, so we need to draw the cam diagram for the offset. Okay, so for those things we just need to construct. Before we are going to construct the cam diagram, we have to know what is the displacement diagram, since the given motion is a simple harmonic motion and also the given type of follower is knife edge follower. Hence we need to draw the displacement diagram. We have to start with the help of this simple harmonic motion. We need to start with this semicircle. On y-axis we need to draw this follower lift, and following that the x-axis should be in cam angle diagram. So what you have to do is you need to take a compass, and here you should mark one midpoint in this diagram, and by using the compass we need to take it as a radius of this one and make one semicircle for this diagram. Okay, and after that here in the x-axis we need to divide the angle 90 degree, 30, 60 and 180. If you're going to add these values, it will become a 360 degree. Okay, so for the first 90 degree is about an rise, following that 30 degree is an dwell, following that 60 degree is an return, and following that 180 is an dwell. Okay, here during rise and return only the follower having a displacement, hence we need to divide the displacement into 6 equal number of parts, and similarly divide the return into 6 equal number of parts. Okay, and here we need to mark the point for 1 and the first point A where it intersects, and similarly we need to trace it out where the second line in the x-axis and the B from y-axis which has been intersected, and similarly 3C, and similarly 4D and 5E, and again 6 F or G. Okay, and here also you need to repeat again the follower getting displaced from the highest position to lowest position. Therefore 1 to first line, fifth line, and second to fourth line, third to third line, fourth to second line, and fifth to first line, and then again sixth point which has been displaced over lying on the cam motion. So once if the points has been plotted, what you have to do is you just need to connect those dots with the help of this diagram. Here the whatever you have seen in this point, here you just see it represents there is a rise of the follower motion. Okay, when the cam makes a rotation, what happens, the motion will start do rising, and similarly it maintains such a dwell for some angle of rotation. When the cam has been moved from 90 to 30 degree, it has been maintained. This is the dwell period. Following that, what happened, the cam has been getting down from the top position to the bottom position, which means it has been displaced from the largest value to the return to the lowest value. Okay, and you need to trace it out this line by using connecting those dots, and maintain the dwell period for certain amount of angle. Okay, so this is what do you call that cam and follower motion, which has been drawn with the help of displacement diagram. So this is what this diagram has been mentioned as an displacement diagram. Okay, and here just a minute. When you're trying to draw this offset diagram, the first of all we need to draw the cam. Okay, For those cam, we need to construct by using the offset circle. With the help of this radius, draw the 40 mm circle, and we need to plot some distance, that is a 20 mm from the center axis. Okay, when it make a plot the point, we just need to make the axis which has been intersected over the follower and the cam axis.